How can I disable the feature that automatically hangs up my iPhone during calls?
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common problem some iPhone users experience, the frustrating feature that causes your iPhone to automatically hang up during calls. We'll walk you through some potential fixes, step by step, to help you regain control over your calls.
Is it an iOS feature or a glitch?
Before we get started, let's make sure what we're dealing with isn't a software glitch. iPhones don't generally have a feature that automatically hangs up calls, so if you're experiencing this, it might be a bug, a problem with a specific app, or an issue with your phone settings.
Restart your iPhone.
A simple but often effective solution is to restart your iPhone. This can refresh the system and fix minor glitches. Here's how you do it. 1. Press and hold the side button and either of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. 2. Drag the slider, then wait for your device to turn off. 3. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo.
Check your call settings.
If the problem persists, it's time to check your call settings. Head to Settings, Phone, and ensure call forwarding and call waiting are set according to your preferences. If you're using a third-party app for calling, make sure you check the app settings too.
Update iOS.
Sometimes, the issue can be caused by an outdated iOS. Keeping your software up to date ensures your device runs smoothly and securely. Here's how you can update your iOS. 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install.
Contact Apple support.
If none of these solutions have worked, it's time to contact Apple support. You can reach them online or head to your nearest Apple store. They'll be able to diagnose and address the problem more directly. We hope this guide has been helpful for all of you experiencing issues with automatic hangups on your iPhone. Remember, these steps are the most common solutions, but sometimes professional help might be needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support if needed. Good luck, and happy calling!